Hello. So today we're going to talk about the review of standard 6.EE.6, EE.3, and EE.4 checkpoint that we took last Friday. I will be really quick. So if you want to go back to the video and play it again, that will also be great. Question number 1. It says a bone rental charges a flat rate. So this is a flat rate. This become a flat rate fee of $45. So it means that if you pay this amount, you don't pay anything. $45, and it says you also have to pay $4 per hour. $4 per hour. $4 per hour. So $4. Excuse me. $4 per hour. $4 per hour. Now, which expression represents the total cost to the rent a boat for each hour? So it means that you want a total cost, so you have to pay the rate. That is the flat rate or the flat amount of money or a constant plus $4 per hour. Plus $4 per hour. So expression will be $45 plus $4 per hour or times 1 hour. So let's say if you want to use for 1 hour, you got to pay $4 plus 45, which will be $49. But if you want 2, you multiply 2 by 4. For 2 hours, multiply 2 by 4. So our answer will be this. Yeah. Question number 2. It says a library fine for an overlooked book is. So a library fine for an overlooked book is 10 cents, meaning $0.10 per day. So it means that per day. So every fine you get is $10 per day at a one-time fee charge of 25 cents. At a one-time fee of $0.25 for processing. So you have to pay one-time fee. So this becomes a one-time fee. This is one-time fee. So this is a constant. All the time, the flat rate, the one-time fees are what you call the constants. So 0.25 is a constant fee. Plus, plus a fine. So plus a fine of $0.10. $0.10, yes, which is 0.10 per hour. So which of the following expression gives a fine in dollar for a book that is n days overdue? So I'm going to represent by n days. So it means that if you have n number of days, you multiply by 10 cents and add it to 25 cents. So our answer will be B. Yes. Okay. Question number 3. Hannah babysits to earn money. She charges $6.50 to babysit for the first hour. So it means that for the first hour, that's how she charged every hour. For the first hour. So that become a constant. This become a constant fee. So we put a constant fee down, which is $6.50. Now she charges $5.75 for each additional hour. Now let n equal the number of hours that after the first hour. So just after the first hour, every hour that comes after, she will charge $5.75. So what we are looking for is which expression represents how much Hannah charges for the entire hour, or for the entire number of hours you call her. So let's say it will be plus 57.5 n, because this n here will represent the number of hours after this $6.56. This is how much you charge. So which expression go for that? I think the answer is D. Oh, sorry, the answer is B. B. Okay, question number 4. Carla charges $15 for a bracelet plus $80 for each letter B that is put on the bracelet. So which expression represents the total cost of the bracelet? Which bracelet with letter X B's? So all the time when you are looking for this kind of expression, look up for the constant term. You see, so this is a charge. This becomes a constant term. And this is how much you pay for any letter that will be written on the bracelet. So let's say he has 5 bracelets, or he has 5 letters. So you have to multiply 5 by this plus this bracelet. So since we don't know, we want to look for the expression, we have $15 plus 0.80 times X. That is the number of letters that you could write on the bracelet. So I think that would go for that. Oh, sorry. Okay, so question number 5. It says Laura buys banana for 59 cents per pound. 0.59 per pound. That is per pound. So this is a pound. This time we don't have a constant term because there's nothing like constant. This is every pound you have to pay what? 0.59. So which expression represents the cost of P pounds of banana? So you have to multiply 0. Sorry, let me change it. 0.59 times P. So meaning if you have 10 pounds, 3 pounds, 4 pounds, you multiply by the constant of the coefficient of the amount that you have to purchase. So that will give you a total cost. And that will give you 0.59p. Question number 6 is group real items. You have to express which expression is equivalent. Meaning we have to add the like terms, solve the like terms. Remember I told you that two online items cannot be added or subtracted easily. It cannot be that as kind of expression. So I'm going to rewrite my program here. I'm going to rewrite my program and group the like terms. So I'm going to first of all group the y. So I have 5y. So I have 5y plus 2y plus, so 5y plus 2y plus another 2y. Then it won't go there. Then I'm going to group my x's. My x, so I have 6x minus x. So when you are taking, you have to take everything, term with the operation sign with it. So that becomes 5x, and this becomes 9y. So you have 9y plus 5x. So 9y plus 5x. So which expression represents that? So remember, addition is commutative. So I'm going to pick that because irrespective of the position, this is equivalent to that. Number 6, 7. Okay. Now, which expression or which choice is equivalent to the expression? So just try, if you have a question like this, just try to distribute like I told you. If you have to distribute, and once you finish distributing, you kind of know or have the idea which will be equivalent to the options below. So I'm going to distribute this by multiplying to that and distribute this to that. So I have 4 times x, which is 4x. Then I don't forget my operation sign. Then 4 times 2, which is 8. So 8y. So that will be my expression. So I think you'll go for that. So question number 8. We have which expression is equivalent to that? It's the same thing. So I'm going to rewrite it again. 4 w parentheses w plus 4 plus 6 4 plus 2w. So what you need to do is to again distribute. I'm going to distribute this over that and distribute this over that, this and that, and this and that by multiplying. So I have 4 times 4 is 4w. Then 4 times 4 is 16. Now I don't have to forget my operation sign, which is plus. Then I'm not going to forget this plus. Then 6 times 4 will also give me 24. Oh wait, let me change the color. So 24. Then I don't forget my operation sign. Then 6 times 2 will give me 12w. Now, like we did it previously, if you know, we can still solve problems here by adding the like terms. So I'm going to first of all group the like terms. So I have w here. So I have 4w plus 12w. Then plus I also have 16 and 24. So 16 plus 24. So this will give me 16w plus 40. That's it. It's equivalent to that. A rectangle or a square. The perimeter of a rectangle goes by 2 length, 2 of the length, you add them, 2 of the length, plus 2 of the width. So we have 2 of the length and 2 of the width. So this is my width and this is my length. So I have 2 of the length, which is 2 times 3x plus 4. 3x plus 4. Then my operation sign, bring it down. Then solve the 2w. So 2w, which is 4 plus x. Then I'm going to distribute like I did on the previous one. I'm going to distribute this over that, and distribute that, distribute that, and distribute that. So if you have 2 times 3, which is 6, so it'll be 6x. Then 2 times 4, which is 8. Then I don't forget my operation sign, very important. My operation sign here, and then I will do the same thing to this. 2 times 4 plus 2 times x. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 2 times x is 2x. Then again, I'm in grouping like terms. I have x here, x here. So I have 6x plus 2x plus 8. So I have 8 here, 8 here. 8 plus 8, which is 16. So I have, this becomes 8x plus 16. So that's my answer. The last question The last question, I could go either way. I could have expand, distribute all these options and see which one is equivalent to that. Or find the factors of this and then submit. I'm going to do both of them. So you have to distribute this. If you can distribute it, distribute that, and you see which one will give you that. Now, so let me do with the factors. So I have 15x minus 5y. Now, I'm going to ask myself, I'm going to find factors of 15 and factors of 5. Now, factors of 15, I want those factors to have a common number on both sides. And I can see that 5 will be common. So what number will I multiply by 5 to give me 15? And that is 3. So I have 3x times 5. This will give me 15. This will give me 15. Then I have 5 times 1y. Because 5 times 1y will also give me 5 times 1 will also give me 5. So we plus y. Now, then I'm going to bring the factor. I'm going to factor out which one is common on this side and common on the other side. These are two terms. So which one is common on this side and common on the other side? So I could see that this is common here, this is common here. So I'm going to bring 5 out. Then it remains 3x here. Then I'll bring my operation sign. Then I have 1y here, which is the same as y. So I have 3x minus y. And that will give me which one? I think D. So like D, if you had expanded this time, that it will give you 15x. Then this time that will give me 5y. Then I'll bring my operation sign, which is minus, which is equivalent to our work here. So equivalent to our work here. So it will have chosen that. Thank you. I hope I was fast though, but you can revisit or replay the game. Thank you.